Talking about the focus of this research, so we notice how in the academia we see that migrants are very often treated as a block, like migrants as a block. The distinction between like the newcomers and the roots migrants, or also return migrants, because at the beginning we started like studying people that they were like non-EU from outside of the European Union as our focus, and then we realized that the reality of the rural areas is much more diverse than we thought, and also the people to explain the dynamics of the rural areas, we need to take into account also the population from the European Union, and also the national population coming from other parts of Spain. So the newcomers, they would be the people that they follow more or less like the economic migration, or they ruled by the Spanish immigration law, that they arrived to Spain at the beginning of the 21st century, that they are not related to previous Spanish immigration, and the typical like origins are Maghreb, Sub-Saharan Africa, Latin America, Eastern European countries. On the other side, there is these return migrants, and also the roots migrants, that they would have links with the territory. And after we will explain how this affected like the dynamics of reception, right? So this would be the linked population. There are people that are descendants of who left the villages, so the grandmothers, grandfathers that left the villages, and after the grandsons, granddaughters, or the daughters' sons, they come back. This is what we call like the roots migrants. And before presenting the results, I'm going to talk a little bit, like very briefly, about the methodology. It was qualitative. 7 municipalities across 5 regions. You see the like colored here. We carried on like 80 days of field work.